Thanks for interesting to know about my favorite features of Clickfunnels Bridge Page. My favorite features * create web pages in a fast way using templates and elements *. It's important to recognize that a funnel is a collection of web pages assembled in a calculated order instead of Clickfunnels Bridge Page. The main goal of a funnel is to convert your leads into customers. A website is just a collection of numerous elements developed to obtain a person to take a particular action. Clickfunnels Bridge Page provides you even more compared to the competitors to help you create an amazing website. The editor is very easy to use. All you need to do is to drag and drop the different components on the page and change the text as well as the appearance to fit your needs. The great news are that you don't need to code anything. Clickfunnels Bridge Page makes your life easier by providing you with a ton of templates. 37 different Clickfunnels Bridge Page templates. In fact, Clickfunnels provides you 37 different templates for you to use in your business. Below I have listed them in 10 different categories. Opt-in pages, press page, reverse capture page, lead magnet, promo code. Presell pages, survey web page, short article page, presell page, Clickpop page. Sales pages, video clip sales page, sales letter web page, product introduce page. Thank you pages, thank you page, offer wall, bridge page, share page, OTOs, upsells websites, downsells websites. Webinar pages, webinar registration web page, webinar verification page, webinar broadcast space, webinar replay space. Click the link below in this video for more updates. Order forms, to action order web page, typical order page, video sales letter order page, sales letter order web page, item introduce order web page. Other pages, application page, ask web page, storefront, home page, hero web page, hangout web page, live demo web page. Affiliate pages, gain access to page, affiliate area. Subscription pages, accessibility page, members area. The pre-done templates are completely personalizable, and what most customers use. You can pick a template in Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Modify the elements you want, and then you are ready to sell. In addition, you can connect any funnel you want to the email autoresponder that you want. If you choose to do this, there is no use to use Clickfunnels autoresponder. And you can use the Clickfunnels Bridge Page built-in invoicing system. Now I would love to advise you that Clickfunnels offers very valuable and easy to understand training videos to help you perform better. I highly recommend you using those videos to learn due to the fact that they teach you how to use the software like a professional. Thanks for watching this video.